Looks like my headlight decided to fall out during this ride. Anyways, everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with a moto vlog. I got around to doing a little bit of riding and I wanted to make sure that everything was good. So, of course, the headlight falls out, right? The one thing that I was working on earlier, apparently I missed a zip tie holding the end up, so the assembly, so now it's sagging. So hopefully I can get this speed test done. Really all I wanted to do was go down the feeder a couple times to make sure that everything was running right. Hopefully the GPS on my helmet is working, so we can get a better accurate count of how fast I'm actually going. Oh look, they tore it down. It's all gone. They used to be a, what's it called? Carl's Jr., but now it's a Carl's Nobody. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of a blast to see how fast. Earlier I was running and I only had 15 psi in each tire, so that was kind of a little bit of a bummer when it comes to trying to go fast, of course. So let's go. I'm not sure how accurate my speedo is, but I am about to hit 50. I hit 60. .4, and it doesn't look like I'm gonna have enough runway to do it again. Anyways, yeah, so hopefully my speedometer's wrong, and hopefully you're seeing the little thing right here on the bottom right hand corner with my speed, so you can kind of get an idea of exactly how fast I am really going. It would be nice. I should have got on the freeway, but I would have gone freeway, but with this loose headlight, I don't want it to get bound up in my wheel. That would suck. Maybe we'll go for try number 2, then we're going to U-turn and come back. I believe the wind is blowing. Looks like it's blowing. Oh, it's behind me. It's kind of behind me. So if I go the other way, it's going to be blowing with me. Everybody needs to do a little more speed tests in their lives. Unless you own a Busa, then you probably really shouldn't do a speed test. And I'm probably never going to really do a full throttle speed test on the SV650, because that's just retarded. I'm not going to have enough runway. Is the wind blowing with me or against me? Let's look at these flags. Oh, they're blowing with me. So this is, I gotta find an opening here. Maybe if I go to the right, I'll get an opening, because these people will turn right. Looks like it. Headlights holding together. The emergency duct tape is holding. No, I'm not gonna get no super speed test out of this one today. Oh well. Let's try going the other direction. But the wind is gonna be blowing against me. Oh well. What did I get? 63.4 or something like that. Let's see what we get here. Let's do a little bit more of a tuck this time. No. Okay. Well, maybe next time. I just wanted to check to see if this jet was working right. I kind of need to go into the CVT to explore a little bit to see what's the health of the sliders, the belt, and the CVT. I know the not the CVT, the variator. I know the variator is old, so that might need to be replaced. And the belt, I have no idea how old the belt is, but I guess we're gonna do a little Amazon shopping when we get back, or wherever. Anyways, short video. Thought I'd do it. I thought I'd record a little bit of a speed test. The true speed on the GPS, hopefully I got it from the GoPro, will show how fast I was going. But, you know, 64, 67, somewhere around there is supposed to be what my top speed is. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see everybody in the next video. Dun, da, da, da.